Okay, it's finally arrived. It's the gift grinder from John of Three River Blades. Okay, so patiently waiting. Yes, it was held up at customs. I did have to pay a little bit, but what was very humbling was how much he's invested in the freight. I'm not going to embarrass him by mentioning it, but it's very much appreciated what he's given. So this is opening up a gift grinder all the way from New York. Opening with a tomahawk. Should be central. Superbly packaged. Look at this. Packed right down flat. Oh, there it is. No way. It's full of belts. Oh wow. Awesome. Really good condition. Look at that. That's what I believe it is. I know when your sander went down, it's the worst feeling in the world. When people are waiting for a product and the tools break. Used it a few times, but he's upgraded and didn't need it anymore. So you're putting good use to it, and he's got some belts. Your brother is still from across the pond. John, thank you. Look at the belts. Much appreciated, thank you. John from Three River Blades. You will like this video.